Hello friends, in this video I will show how to automatically resize picture in Excel cell. So firstly insert picture. Now press Alt key and drag and drop your picture in any cell. So firstly roughly change size of cell. Resize your picture as your requirement like this size. Now keep your picture in border of this cell. Now right click on it, then click on size and properties. Now select this option size and properties and expand it. Now select this move and size with cells, then click anywhere. So now you move. Now move and make changes your column width and size. So you will auto resize this picture as your cell size, width and height. So keep your picture in any cell, insert, select your picture. Firstly, resize your picture. Make the size as your need. Now press and hold Alt key and drag and drop this picture in that particular cell. Now make roughly change the size for this column and row as your picture. Now right click on it. Now click on size and properties. So you will see this format picture options. Make sure you select this third one and expand this properties and select move and size with cells. Now click anywhere. Now try to resize cell. So picture will resize automatically once you change the size for this cell. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.